Happy 18th birthday, ate. Alam kong binabaksab ka ng mga friends mo. Pero, kailangan nandito naman ako eh.
Happy 18th birthday, Cherby! Happy 18th birthday, Cherby! Happy 18th birthday, Cherby! We love you!
It's a celebration and a thanksgiving of a life God has given to her. So ladies and gentlemen, let's give a round of applause to the beautiful and the gorgeous Cherby!
Hi Bing! Happy 18th birthday! So this is it. Sabi nga ng karamihan, welcome to the legal age. But for me, this is serious adulthood. Just take time, chill and relax. Huwag mong madaliin ang mga desisyon sa bagay-bagay. Just pray to God. Magpakabait ka palagi. Still, you're my baby forever. Hiling ko lang na makatapos ka ng pag-aaral at managumpay sa pamumuhay. Happy 18th birthday, Bingbing. Love you!
Hi anak, Cherby, my best friend. First of all, I would like to greet you a happy birthday. I hope you enjoy your day today. Magpakasaya ka, mahal na mahal kita, mahal na mahal ka namin. Sana naibigay namin sa'yo lahat ng best, lalong-lalo na itong araw na to. Ito ay para sa'yo. Dalangin ko na lahat ng mga panalangin mo ay magkatotoo. Again, happy birthday anak. I love you so much.
Super thankful and happy po kasi nag-effort po kayong pumunta dito and pinaghandaan niyo po talaga ito.
Sana bawas-bawasan mo na yung pagiging maarte mo. Keep your parents proud and wish you all the best.
Alam kong proud na proud si Papa at saka si Lola sa'yo.
Happy birthday po. Kahit nung bata pa ako, hindi pa tayo masyadong close, lagi niyo kayo inaapit. More bardadulan tuwing uwian. Thank you for the unexpected friendship with Clyde.
To me, sa lahat na naging kaibigan ko ay nakilala ko sa buong buhay ko, ikaw yung pinakamaganda sa lahat.
May it filled with joy, growth, and countless moments of happiness. I hope your heart is always happy. I love you.
You know naman na I'm always here for you. Lalo na kapag kailangan mo ng taga-advice. Alam mo naman na laging open yung kila Lady Lynn, kila Insyang, di ba?